Can open source AI really compete with something like GPT-4o? Today we are throwing DeepSeek v3 and ChatGPT into a head-to-head battle. Cost, performance, and actual task execution. We are covering it all. Let's talk money straight up. DeepSeek v3 about $5.5 million estimated based on reported research costs. GPT-4o estimated in the range of $100 million plus dollars. That's huge gap, right? But DeepSeek v3 rocks a 685 billion parameters mixture of experts, architecture. It's open source and ready for developers to tweak and customize. And it's noticeably fast in generating responses. GPT-4o, well, it's known for its conversational skills and multimodality, handling text, images, and files and audio, while DeepSeek doesn't handle audio. So can DeepSeek's open source power and focus on text and code outsmart the versatility of GPT-4o? Time for some tests. First up, a practical one, making a coffee flowchart. Here's the prompt we gave both AIs. Design a flowchart for the process of making a cup of coffee, including steps for preparation, brewing, and serving. DeepSeek v3 gave a very detailed text breakdown, suggesting tools like PowerPoint, which is okay, but it's very basic. ChatGPT, on the other hand, created an actual visual flowchart. Sure, a few words are a little distorted, but it's pretty clear. Next, visual smarts. We gave both AIs two images with some differences. So DeepSeek can handle images and files, right? Turns out DeepSeek didn't manage to process the image at this time. But ChatGPT smashed it, picking out differences right away. Now let's see how they handle content creation. An article on why daily walking is awesome. Write a 150-word article explaining the benefits of daily walking, including physical and mental health aspects. DeepSeek v3 gave a straightforward, concise article, pretty factual. ChatGPT's write-up was way more detailed and engaging. A classical logic problem to see how these AIs think. If A is taller than B, and B is taller than C, who is the shortest? Both nailed the answer C. DeepSeek v3 went with a technical transitivity explanation, while ChatGPT was more straightforward. Finally, a tricky puzzle to test problem-solving skills. Three friends, Alex, Bella, and Chris, live in red, blue, and yellow houses. Alex doesn't live in a red house, Bella doesn't live in a blue house, and Chris doesn't live in a yellow house. Who lives where? DeepSeek v3 offered two possible solutions, which is fine. But ChatGPT went all in, with one final solution and the steps to how it got there. Alright, the final thoughts. Both AIs have strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT is the best with image handling, multimodality, and user-friendly content. DeepSeek v3 is a more cost-effective approach that is focused on text and coding. And it also open source. Remember that open source gives user customization options, not available on closed source models. However, for this test, DeepSeek's inability to fully process images definitely put it a step behind ChatGPT 4o at this point. So who impressed you more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Remember, AI never stands still. We'll keep testing and updating you as things change. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and tech insights. See you in my next video.